Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ham quiche. To begin, grab a store-bought pie crust. It's a fantastic shortcut for a consistently great base. You'll want to blind bake this crust for about 10 to 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step ensures your quiche will have a wonderfully crisp and flaky bottom, preventing any sogginess and setting the stage for a perfect meal. Now let's create the rich and savory filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream until well combined. Next, season this creamy mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, fold in 1 cup of diced cooked ham and 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or cheddar, for incredible flavor. With your crust ready and filling prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the delicious ham and cheese filling into your blind-baked pie crust. Then, place the quiche into your preheated oven and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when the center is set and the top boasts a beautiful golden brown hue. The aroma of your freshly baked ham quiche is probably incredible, but patience is key for the perfect slice. Let the quiche cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you even think about cutting into it. This crucial cooling time allows the filling to fully set, ensuring clean, beautiful slices. Enjoy your warm, homemade ham quiche for breakfast, brunch, or a delightful light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.